Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're back at the Unimat SL1000. Tonight we got a special treat here. Had a piece of unknownium that I had no idea what it was. Looks like it's a little bit better than 3/8 in diameter. Anyways, took a couple of test cuts with the 10 and 12 degree tool. That was shown on the last video, and come to find out that this must be some 12L14 or something very close to that, because it just machines just beautifully. This tool has no problems taking very nice cuts in this material, so you don't have to hear me yapping no more. I'm going to turn this thing on. Right here, this is about a 2/1000th cut if I had to guess, and we're at 1100 RPMs, or excuse me, I stepped up to 1600 RPMs, and doesn't seem to have a hard time machining this at all. If you haven't machined 12L14, it has got to be the most forgiving steel you will ever run across. Even with really poor tooling, it will make you look like a pro. It machines very nicely. The only problem with it rusts, and then it does have trace amounts of lead in it, which isn't real good for you. But if you don't ingest the stuff, I guess, or smoke while you're working with it, washing your hands usually gets rid of a lot of the residues. But yeah, it does have trace amounts of lead, and that results in a very free machining steel that you don't have to use lubricants on. You could turn it at a higher rate, higher depths of cut if your tool allowed or your machines allows. I'm just babying this right now just because I like how it's coming off. I'm going to go ahead and make a pretty deep cut here. This is probably in the order of probably about 4/1000, which would pull off an 8/1000 chip. Might even be bordering on 10/1000. And with this tool grind, it is absolutely having zero difficulties removing this material. Now granted, this material is very forgiving. It machines a lot like aluminum, except I like machining it more than aluminum. It's very satisfying to me. But as you can see, in a very short period of time, we can get a lot of reduction there. And with this tool, man, this surface finish, I know you guys keep hearing it, but it is mirror-like, and I wish I could focus you guys in better. I'm looking through a magnifying glass, and man, it just looks beautiful from here.